How to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there are different methods from which you will be able to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. You can do it using templates, but if you do not want to use any kind of template and create your own, you can do it using the masking feature in CapCut. To do so, launch your CapCut application. After that, go to Edit, go to New Project. Select the first video that you want to add, then select Add. Now, once the video is loaded in your interface, what you will have to do is go to Overlay, select Add Overlay, select another video, confirm Add. Now, from here, you will be able to change the ratio and you will be able to add two videos at once in CapCut, just like this. You can change the aspect or the frame by simply selecting the video and then dragging it around. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.